Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how we could download and install the Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So just to begin, open your browser and type www.microsoft.com and hit enter. As a next step, you want to click on the search bar and type Visual Studio Code and hit enter. You will be redirected to this page. Scroll down and click on the first result, which is Download Visual Studio Tools, and click on it. At this stage, we are being redirected to this page. Scroll down, and here you will find Visual Studio Code. Click on Download and select which one do you want. So that is for Linux 64, Linux x64, Mac operating system, universal package, and there is the Windows x64 user installer. Click on it if you are using Windows, and the download will begin automatically. I invite you to read through this so that you can go through. Once done with the download, you will be prompted to install it. Open the download folder and then right-click, Run as Administrator. The user account control will ask you if you really want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You can go ahead and click Yes. Just click OK. And here you have the license and term agreement. You can read through and then click I accept the agreement and click Next. Here we're going to select the location where it will be installed. So I will just browse and select the folder where I want it to be installed. I'll click OK, and then I will click Next. Select Start Menu folder. So just leave it by default and then click Next. Create a desktop icon and register code. You can even add open with code, etc. as you like. You can edit this setting and then click Next. Click Install and the installation will begin. Setup is preparing to install Visual Code, etc. So once it's installed, it will ask you to restart your computer and then it's fully to be used. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.